somewhat new to me, I guess. Because I guess
Recording a
maybe
sewer
at
line here
other,
at 6023
companies,
McKinley Avenue North. Date is
I guess they are big
August
enough
27th,
that
2020.
it
Looking at the
wasn't a
mainline
concern
sewer
for
line.
them the way it is a concern for us here. So in terms of, I guess it becomes a bigger issue of executive decision, as in what is more important to the company as a whole. Do you want to lock it in for longer commit at the expense of potential drop in monthly revenue in the last few months of that contract? Or which one is more important, right? Is that would you agree? Like it's more of like Stefan, Erica kind of decision? Yeah. Yeah. Right. Yeah. No, right. Because to me, what I envision is similar to what I did in the U.S., where as long as we can access the actual monthly bill the last 6 months, right? So the actual stand the last 6 months, I can easily do an Excel model where and almost like an estimator, where the team can just punch in and go, okay, this is their current discount, this is the actual stand. And then this is the new, revenue and new discount. What is the estimate monthly? And how is it compared to the actual, historical? So I said, would that tool be able to? Well, it doesn't eliminate. It doesn't guarantee anything. It's still an estimate. But that would give us. Do you think that would help in saying yay or nay to expansions? I'm sorry, say that again because the discount what? Oh, right. Yeah. Something that I got for free. So I agree. So right. So that is something I think that we need to. I agree with you, but that's where I think we have a grandfathering policy because.